required safety measures to create a collaborative workspace. Cobots carry out automated tasks around other machinery that could cause accidents or harm workers. The area in which cobots operate, including tooling or additional machinery, is known as the collaborative workspace. As described by ISO 10218 and ANSIRIA 15.06, collaborative space is the space within the guarded area where the human and robot can carry out tasks at the same time during production operations. Likewise, TS 15066 describes it as the operation space where the robot systems can carry out tasks simultaneously with human operators during protection. It's crucial to list and map out all the extra machinery in the complete collaborative automation project. Manufacturers must evaluate each device for potential risks and safety sensors to avoid machine damage and human harm. Additionally, the collaborative workspace must be marked clearly. Some examples of non-collaborative safety-rated machinery that can be part of the workspace needing safety devices are tooling, material handling, machines, and grippers or actuators. Safety devices are relatively easy to integrate into a collaborative robotic setting. Here are some solutions on how to protect the collaborative workspace and which collaborative robot safety standards you should abide by. Open area safety guarding solutions. Safety mats and area scanners are the most prevalent safeguarding for cobots. They are the simplest items to combine with applications with low threats and few equipment pieces. Limited area and gated safety guarding solutions. Safety switches and safety light curtains are used for applications with high-speed enablement or hazards for more significant productivity. Active hazards safety guarding solutions. When hazards are present where an operation could cause danger, operators can enable the deadman switch. This is a switch that instantly reverts back to its original off position in case the user is unable to exert pressure. Optimizing safety in collaborative operation. Manufacturers need to validate their collaborative robot applications for safety across all operations. Each application is distinct. However, manufacturers can follow a few guidelines while evaluating the safety of a robot while conducting a given task together with a human operator. Even if the robot isn't moving, drive and power risks might still be present. Safe robot enabled. Whether starting up the robot or getting back to normal from an emergency stop, there should be a deliberate act to enable the robot that makes sure the operators are protected and no hazards are present. For instance, when an operator triggers an e-stop, the robot shouldn't perform an automatic re-enable. Instead, it should call for input from a second operator verification action. Safe hand guiding. During the safety and design setup, manufacturers should make sure that the hand guiding can only occur in cases where the robot has stopped, force and speed monitoring are active, intentional mode selection has occurred. If hand guiding activation takes place without a safety input or a stop command, this must start a safety stop and fault. Safe operation. Enabling the cobot's run or automatic operation should be a global mode selection by the operator that calls for all safety conditions and devices to be authenticated for operation. Operators should be safeguarded from dangers on the end of arm tooling before enabling operation. Safety validation. Manufacturers need to have a safety valuation service group assess all nearby areas and machines and conduct a safety remediation service if required. Safety service groups will conduct an on-site inspection to evaluate the equipment safety, verify safety parameter settings, confirm certifications, and document that safety validation has been completed. Ensuring safe teaching. As the operator is in charge of the movement of the robot, they must be aware of the safety concerns and surrounding equipment at all times. It's likely to coerce limits in motion, such as space and soft access limitations, to keep the operator safe and protected. Enabling safe operation. The operator should vacate the guarded space. This can be located via safety sensors or further operator verification. Intentional mode selection should be provided to re-enable the robot for operation. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.